baby. Oh, baby.
What is this? Is this a man?
Yeah, have you ever heard the word Farago?
Man.
I'm filming Silas. What's this?
Man.
What is this?
Bike.
Bike? Is it also called a motorcycle?
Man.
That's a man. Is Daddy a man?
Daddy.
Daddy is a man. Is Silas a man?
Hello, Mama.
Is Mommy a man?
Hello, Mama.
Go eat your man, honey. You could make it broken. And what's this?
Go. Train.
What color is the train? Is it yellow?
Hello.
Or is it purple?
Purple.
Purple, yeah. Should we go to the park today? Maybe we'll see Hannah there. Or Cohen.
Hello.
Hannah. Is Hannah your friend?
Daddy.
Is that Daddy? Is it Daddy's motorcycle? Can you say motorcycle? Cohen, yeah. Maybe we'll see Henry at the park? Adeline? Baby Adeline and Cohen? Is Cohen your friend? Okay, Silas, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye to the picture. Bye-bye.